Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, February 3, 2022. Before I get started here, just one last reminder. There is a link below this video to join us for a webinar after the close here at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time this afternoon. So shortly after the close, Scott Andrews and I will be hosting a webinar focused on short-term trading and investing. Join us this afternoon if you are able. The link is below. All right, looking at today's session, we have a consolidation-like session forming so far. We had a sizable down gap this morning, and we're basically trading just a little bit lower than where we opened. We've got about 40 points of range as of the time of this recording, and the midpoint of the session is basically at the open, so we've kind of traded equal distance higher and lower from the open. Very balanced like activity taking place so far. But what we're going to look at this afternoon is what has happened historically when you are trading below the prior day close on the afternoon ahead of the non-farm payrolls report. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments. We're going to use a time-based entry that will get long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. It'll exit at the close of regular trading hours. And we are going to be looking at what has happened when you are trading below the prior day close. So post-open filters, intraday close versus daily levels. I'm going to go to this below prior close option down here, hit equals next to it. That means that the 3 o'clock price is below the prior day closing price. And then I'm going to go into the indicators library, put us in a similar market environment. We closed above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average yesterday. I've added both of those indicators. And lastly, market events. Today is the day before the non-farm payrolls report. That comes from our day before market events. I can either scroll down and grab it, or I can just grab it from the active today, top option right there. And if I scroll here, you'll see it. We've got a long list of things available to test. It is right there. It has been added. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When tomorrow is the non-farm payrolls report, you are in a bullish market environment, and at 3 o'clock in the afternoon before that NFP, you are trading lower than the prior day closing price. Historically, 47 samples here in the S&P dating back to 2003. We've got 50 in the NASDAQ, 48 in the Dow, 46 in the Russell. The win rates on them, 3 out of the 4 of them are right around 60%. The other one is more neutral. So the S&P coming in 62%, NASDAQ 62%, Dow 60%, Russell 52%. If we look at the average moves, average win larger than the average loss in the S&P, in the NASDAQ, in the Dow, and in the Russell. So all 4 of them larger average moves up compared to the moves down, and 3 out of the 4 have closed above that 3 p.m. price more often than not. So a little bit more of a bullish bias in this data here. Hopefully you found that helpful. Click the link below and sign up for our webinar if you want to join us this afternoon at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and I will see you guys there.